Welcome in Pie Day with this super simple blueberry pie. It only took a few minutes to assemble. You'll need blueberries, sugar, flour, cornstarch, and cinnamon. The measurements are in the description box. I forgot to show the lime juice. Most recipes call for lemon, but I never have that on hand. Plus, lime juice gives the flavor a little extra pizzazz. So you're just going to mix everything together and you're going to coat your mixture until it looks like this. I use store-bought pie crust. Very seldom do I make my own. I'm okay with semi-homemade. You're going to roll it out and press it into the corners. I was supposed to print out pie from my computer, but I forgot. So I drew one on note paper and cut it out. I'll flip this over and cut out the mirror image on my pie top. Sprinkle some flour on aluminum foil or parchment paper and put the top crust on that, and then put down the pie symbol. Remember to flip it over and cut it out with a sharp knife. You can pick up a corner and pull it out. If you're good, you can get it in one piece like this. I'm definitely going to use this cutout. I'm not sure where or how, but I don't waste anything. Scoop the blueberries back into the crust. I poured about a quarter cup of the liquid back over the berries, and now comes the part where you have to trust yourself. Just flip it. Just do it. Now I'm just pressing the edges of the crust together. You're almost done. I pinch my edges together. You're literally pinching the top and bottom crust together. I do this around the entire perimeter. Make an egg wash and brush this on top of the pie crust. It should look glossy. While it's baking, I made a cover for the crust with aluminum foil. This keeps the edge from over baking. And you'll get to theatrically reveal the final work of art. Ta-da! Oh, Happy Pie Day! Thanks for watching. And please like this video or subscribe for more math sweets.